It's time for a new Boozang release. Today it's a major release, so this is by far the biggest release we've done in the history of Boozang, and we are introducing some very requested features by our customers and also some very novel things that we've innovated on. Um, I will make, as usual, videos for all these things, but maybe some of the videos will be spread out, so I might not have time to do all the videos today. As usual, you will be able to find the videos under the video page under features or on the YouTube Boozang channel. In order to find the release notes, you will go into forum as usual, and you can just see it in the recent forum post. We have major release 7.0.0 deployed. The first new feature I want to talk about is code test support. Right now in Boozang, we support you either recording or building tests the classical way, or even writing your tests. And you can actually go between these two views. So sometimes it's good to record, sometimes it's good to write the code. And now you have the flexibility to do even writing. And as you can see, if you record and go to this test script view, you're going to see that our automation code is actually much simpler than either Selenium or Cypress. So we're very excited about this update. We've also introduced new NLP selectors, input, text, data, and panel that are super powerful, super simple, and will actually allow you to process your regular natural language into executable tests. So that's also one of the big innovations we do. We also, in the new AI module, we allow you to scan a form and automatically build that whole form and all the dependencies for the data. And this is in order for you to be able to do model-based test development where we auto-generate the tests for you. We also have a new view. When you loop over a CSV or data, you can now kind of capture the CSV, how the data line was processed, and you can also copy this into a CSV report, which is very good for data provisioning. We've also introduced one thing that's been requested a lot, which is trend reports. Now you can look at a test suite or a group of tests over time and see how failures are happening over time, and you can data mine and see what are the more unstable tests and what are the stable tests. We also put the report filter into the URL so you can bookmark it and share it, which is good. Of course, sometimes you do your settings and you want to share it with someone in the team, or you want to be able to revisit it. We also improved the support for multiple screenshots, where when you capture a screenshot, we use the checksum of the image in the file name, so we don't save duplicate screenshots, and you can also support many of them. We've also, another very requested features is that we also now support evidence screenshots into the reports of non-cucumber tests. And then also we've improved our integration to Xray, where you can now open tests in Xray in Boozang directly, and you can run tests in Jenkins from Xray. So that's also an update on the extension side, where we can kind of put these extra buttons in Xray. And there's a couple of bug fixes here. One mentioning is there was some hover text that was wrong for the copy element. But I hope you're going to find this to be a huge step forward for Boozang, and we're very excited to hear from you as you start using these features.